What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's the new year, 2025, new everything, and I just bought my first apartment at the age of 20. I'm just joking. This is my rest vlog review, like rest tour, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I miss you guys so much, but like without further ado, let me show you around here. Let me show you the view. Let me show you. So for starters, guys, this is like a 4 beds. There's 4 beds in this house, eh? Okay, there's 5, but we only use 4. There's 2 of us here. This is my other roommate's bed, and then there's 2 people on this room, and then like the kitchen. There's the kitchen here, and then opposite the kitchen is the bathroom here. So I'm gonna give you like a detailed view. Okay, and then there's like the main door. So I'm gonna give you guys the detailed view, see how does it look like when I come in and stuff like that. So you guys gonna see the full place properly. It's not really much because I can already see the room area where I sleep. Okay, that's like my study table with my roommate, and my bed is like behind these cupboards here. So yeah, but let me give you guys a tour. From the main door, the bathroom. This is cute me. But yeah, this is just the mirror. A cute mirror. Baby bathroom. And a bucket for the mop because it's wet. And this is the shower. It's big. Yeah, this is a shower, then there's a window in the bathroom, and yeah, then there's a toilet and the bin for sanitary pads. Opposite the bathroom, right opposite, is the kitchen. Yeah. I'm so tiny, but like yeah, this is the kitchen. This is how it looks like. It's right opposite. It's to the right of the main door and to the left of the opposite the bathroom. But yeah, there's a fridge. Then there's already parts on the fridge, and then there's like microwave, some cupboards. Because we're 4, then like you get a space to put like your log. This is my cupboard, by the way. And then there's a stove. It's only floor plates. At least it comes with an oven. My old dress didn't have that, so that's a bonus. And yeah, this is the sink. There's hot water, cold water. I can write to you guys. And yeah, this is my other roommate's stuff. Then that's like my phone case. Then that's been there, and this is like a 5th storage cupboard because I think there was supposed to be 5 people, but like it's about 4. So yeah, and then there's this giant geyser in the kitchen and this light. So yeah, that's the kitchen. So I feel like it's a pretty decent kitchen. And yeah, let's go check out the bedrooms. Okay, so once you exit the kitchen, there you can still see it from here. Yeah. Then to the right, then this is the bedroom I was telling you about. 2 people stay here, and this is the kitchen, and that's the bathroom door. That's the back of the wardrobes and the suitcases on top. And then yeah, this is like my living area. This is the view from there. It's it's a decent view. I should have chosen this bed, but my roommate chose it because when I was scared to this other roommates would come, so I was just like, nah, there's no way we're gonna be this close to each other. So I chose that bed. And if people have the decency to ask me what my favorite color is, I don't know, because you can see everything is purple. But yeah, this is my bed. I was actually sitting on top of it. That's why it's so wrinkled. These are like our cupboards. Yeah, this is how it looks like. The two shelves are supposed to be here and there. But yeah, it's really spacious now. It's really spacious. This is like a full 360 shot of my room, my roommate's bed, the empty bed. That's the one gonna occupy, and then my bed. Yeah, this is like our study area, and this is my water bottle, my books, my other books, and yeah, it's basically my room, guys. Yeah, there's not much to show, as I said, but yeah, really. And if you made it this far, thank you very much. This is just like been a quick video, and yeah, I am gonna be making YouTube videos. Guys, look at this lighting in this this space. I wish I chose this bed. Yes, I've been saying that the whole video. But like, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for not giving up on me. And to the people who've been like, love, we deserve a vlog, love, love, love. I'm finally back, guys. I've missed you so much. There's just like been things going on, but like, I promise, I'm back. I'm back full force. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for?